everyone, this is Machine Learning for Cache Management, and this is going to be the installation guide. Actually, the installation guide is going to be really simple. Basically, all that is needed is to download this GitHub repository, which is actually public, and you can download it using the github.com Nailbone synthetic trace generator, which is my account. From my repos, you will need this synthetic trace generator. You can download it. Once that you have this downloaded, all you need to be able to run it is to go to the executable folder, and in the executable folder you will see that if you see these hidden elements, you will have the experiment helper path, and this is just a shortcut to this file. Make sure that your target and your start in are properly set up, and that will be actually all that you need to be able to run the experiment. And also, not only to run the experiment, here on the source you will have your controllers with all the Java classes that you will need, because everyone on the group is a researcher and also a developer for this application. So we needed the application, we needed to run it, and it was way easier to run it with the UI, but also we needed to make changes constantly, so it didn't make sense to have the two of them separate. So everything is just in one solution on the repository. Feel free to download it and use it. It is actually a really good exercise to learn about cache and algorithms. Thank you for watching. Any comments or questions, use the comment section below.